Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Forte GT Manual. Total price of $24,410. Really not bad at all for the amount of car you're getting for that money. Dual exhaust, which has some of the best sounds in this segment. I kind of think of this as a direct competitor to the Civic Si. Also pretty close to the Jetta GLI. Power-wise, it's not on the level of the WRX, but being fun to drive is where this car absolutely shines. And in that aspect, I like it better than the WRX. Just listen to this. Like, come on. 201 horsepower. Good amount of power for this car. Nice sunroof. You know what? It's a cloudy day. We'll leave that open. Decently short throws. That's because of the plate we have back there. Dimming rearview mirror. Your vents. Love the steering wheel too. Very, very reminiscent of Audi. But yeah, without further ado, let's put the e-brake down. Go for a drive. Absolutely phenomenal. Forte GT, it is absolutely amazing. I mean, there is nothing on this car that I would change. Maybe a bit more power, but it does not need it. Doesn't need an exhaust. It's already plenty loud. I mean, out of the box, for under $25,000, I cannot think of a better brand new car to buy. Rev matching is a breeze in this thing. Throttle's very, very responsive, so you just got to give it a little blip and you are good to go. Six-speed manual, definitely very close ratios, so it makes it really a fun daily driver. Honestly, for the longest time, I was considering buying one of these to go alongside my Challenger. That thought's completely not completely escaped my mind. If I get a good enough deal on one, who knows, maybe I'll pull the trigger. Oh, they're perfect for heel toe. Oh, that makes it 10 times easier. Oh man, honestly, this car is absolutely phenomenal. Well done, Kia. Well done. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.